my fighters, welcome back to Sheen's Positivity. So today as we are in the kitchen, so we'll be doing a recipe video, right? So we'll be making a yummy and tasty banana carrot cake. Okay, the ingredients are very simple ingredients that are available at our house. Okay, and the method is also very simple. You don't want a beater and all the sophisticated stuffs. Very simple but very tasty. Okay, all your kids will love it. So the first two things that you have to do before starting with the preparations is, first you have to line your baking tray with the butter paper or parchment paper, and then preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for about 5 or 10 minutes. Okay, so this is the first two things that you have to do before starting the preparation. Now we'll see what ingredients required for the cake. Okay, now the ingredients are, you need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup or 3 by 4 cup of sugar, and here I've taken 2 bananas. These bananas are so small, that's why it's 2. If you have a large one, 1 large would do. And then you have vanilla essence, 2 eggs, and 1 medium sized carrots grated, and 1 by 4 cup of oil, and 1 by 4 cup of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So these are all the ingredients, and these cashews are just for garnish. Okay, if you need them, you can use it or you can avoid them too. So these are the ingredients which is required for the healthy and tasty banana carrot cake. Now let's move on to the preparation. You have to take a bowl and you have to sift all the dry ingredients. That is 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 by 4 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Okay, just a pinch would do. So you have to sift all these ingredients so that all these ingredients mix together well. Yeah, once you do this, then just mix it with a spoon so that they get nicely mixed. Yeah, so this is the first step. Okay, so the first step is done. Now we'll move on to the wet ingredients. So for that, you have to take a mixie jar. In that, just put the half cup of sugar that you have taken. Okay, and first we'll have to powder the sugar. Yeah.
Stop.
Now to the powdered sugar, we will add all the rest of the ingredients. That is the banana, which is the star of our cake. So here I am adding 1.5 banana. So if it's a large one, 1 would do. And then 2 eggs. Then 1 by 4 cup of oil, and 1 or 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, so that you don't get that eggy taste or the smell. Yeah. Now we are going to blend all these ingredients together to make our wet ingredient. Okay, so all the wet ingredients are mixed together properly. Okay, make sure you blend it well. Now we'll take the dry ingredients, just pour the wet ingredients to it. And then you'll have to slowly mix it. So slowly fold it. Okay, don't over mix it or don't mix it so harshly. Gently we'll mix it. Simple recipe, you can prepare it in no time as a snacks for your kids when they come home from school or during holidays. And it has bananas, carrots, and they will enjoy it. So please do give it a try. It's very simple, right? You mix it. Then here is the carrots I've grated. So make sure you grate the carrots finely. Now add. In the last stage, add the grated carrots also and mix it. Mix, 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 mix. So the batter looks cool with the light tints of orange carrots in it. Okay, so the mixing is done. Yeah, so just make sure everything, all the things are mixed together properly, no lumps are formed. The all-purpose flour, the wet ingredients that we have added, so everything has to become as a one homogeneous mixture. Yeah, so once that is done, purpose flour, the wet ingredients that we have added, so everything has to become as a one homogeneous mixture. Yeah, so once that is done, now we'll transfer this to our baking tray. To transfer it to the baking tray. So use a spatula like this so that you can put all the batter into the baking tray properly. You can scrape the sides, and spatula is very useful for that. Okay, so once this is done, just give a tap 2 or 3 times. So that if there is any air bubbles, they just go out. Okay, now this is just for garnish. If you like, you can do it or you can avoid it. Okay, it's up to you. So I am putting some cashews here and there for that crunch, and it gives a nice appeal to your cake as well. Okay, so the preparation part is done. Now the remaining part is only the baking. So we're going to take the tray straight to the oven and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 to 45 minutes. It depends upon your oven settings. The top and the bottom rod should be heated. So that's the setting comes. Place the cake into the preheated oven. Okay. Now let's bake and then see the magic. Okay, now it's around 45 minutes. Okay, and I think now it's perfectly baked. Now let's see. Pause.
Ah, yes.
So now you can see how nicely a golden brown color has come. So take a toothpick, just insert and see the toothpick comes out clean, which means the cake is perfectly baked. So it takes around 45 minutes in my oven.
Very far away.
Okay, so the cake is perfectly baked. Now it's very hot, so let it rest for around 1.5 hours. Okay, and then you can cut and enjoy it in your desired shape. Okay, so please do make it try, it's worth it. So till we meet again, it's me signing off. And if you like the video, please do share, subscribe and like. And when you subscribe, please press the bell icon and the option all, so that whenever I publish the new videos, you will get the notification. So thank you so much. So till we meet again, spread only good vibes.